Is a 30-year mortgage really that much different from a 15-year mortgage? You bet it is. Let's take a look at the math behind both a 30-year and a 15-year, and then you can decide if it's really that big a deal. A 30-year mortgage on a $225,000 home with 6% interest has a payment of $1,349. Now on a 15-year mortgage, the payments would be $1,899. That's a $550 difference. Doesn't really seem like that much, right? Wrong. When you pay $1,349 a month for 30 years at 6%, you're actually paying $485,000 for your $225,000 home. Now, let's do the math for a 15-year mortgage on that same house. A monthly payment of $1,899 for 15 years at the same interest rate is a total of $341,000 for the home. So when you do a 15-year mortgage, you save yourself $144,000. Did you get that? By going with a 15-year instead of a 30-year mortgage, you saved yourself $144,000. That's a lot of money. And you end up saving yourself about 15 extra years of bondage. Still aren't convinced? Then let's take another look. Say you still have that same home with the same payment amount. Now, fast forward 10 years. The $225,000 loan on a 15-year note is paid down to about $98,000. After 10 years on the 30-year mortgage, that house is paid down to about $188,000. So what does that mean? It means that if you got a 30-year mortgage, you've paid almost $162,000, but you've really only knocked $36,000 off the loan. Let me put it another way. Over the past 10 years, you've given the bank $130,000. And if you're thinking about getting a 30-year mortgage and paying it off in 15, think again. Vacations, prom dresses, home improvements, something else will always seem more important. But you know the cool thing about a 15-year mortgage? It always pays off in 15 years, or less. The bottom line is this. If you think you're getting a better deal with a 30-year mortgage just because you're saving a few $100 a month, you're only thinking short term. If you open your eyes a little bit and start thinking long term, you'll see that you're literally throwing away hundreds of thousands of dollars. Don't sign up for a 30-year mortgage just because everyone else is. Hey, everyone else is broke.